White Dome Stone. I can't remember the name of it. I'll figure it out before I post this video. But they sent me this awesome screen protector, and my phone has taken a slight tumble, and this is what I'm left with. And I wanted to show you guys because we always show products going on, but I don't really take the time to show you guys what happens when it doesn't quite go according to plan. Now, this was like baked on with UV lights and some strange adhesive. I'm thinking I gotta take this off, and I'm a little worried because I felt like when this went on, it was like a permanent thing, and now it's coming off. Kind of strange. I feel like this is like legit glass. Oh my God, you see what's happening? Nothing like I've ever seen before. Oh, wow. Ooh. So there is literally shards of crystal looking glass all over my phone, but you can see this right here. It's like flaking off. I would like to think that this is safe and I can just wipe it away and easy peasy, but you know, it gives me a new appreciation for what screen protectors go through. This is pretty solid. It lasted my phone for a little while. WhiteStone Dome, I think is what they're called. This is what happens when it goes wrong, when you drop your phone. You are left with this. So be really careful, guys, when you pull this off, because it's got little sparkles of glass all over me, if that's what this is made out of. I don't think it's made out of glass. It's some sort of hard plastic that imitates glass. Anyways, I just wanted to take a moment and share that with you guys so you know what you're getting into when you are buying this product. This is what it looks like when you take it off. For the love of tech, namaste.